Hi, and welcome to LB Math Notebooks video on angles of parallel lines with transversals. A transversal is a line that crosses through two parallel lines. You can see the yellow line in this picture is the transversal. With parallel lines and transversals, vertical angles are equal. That means the angles that are directly across from each other should be the same. So you see the blue angles are the same and the yellow angles are the same. Corresponding angles are also equal. So if the top right is one number, then when you go to the bottom part of the second parallel line, you should also have the top right being that same number. So again, blue line angles are equal to blue angles, yellow angles equal to yellow angles. If the angles are the same, you set them equal to each other and then solve the equation. So in this case, we've got two angles that are the same. They're both the larger angle on this transversal. So we would make it 4x minus 25 equals 3x plus 15. For the most part, I would recommend whatever angle has the largest coefficient on the variable, you set that one on the left side. It'll make it a little bit easier for some of you. So now we just solve this equation. First thing we have to do is move the variables so they're all on the same side. We do this by doing the opposite, so we subtract 3x from each side. What we're left with is x minus 25 equals 15. Now we continue doing the opposite and following our SAD map. So we get rid of that minus 25, we add 25 to each side, and that means x equals 40. Now if the angles are different, they combine to equal 180 degrees. So what we do is we start with 180 and we're doing the opposite. So first thing we do is get rid of any addition or subtraction. So we do 180, and like I said, doing the opposite, so minus 10 and plus 5. That gives us 175. Now we divide by the total amount of our coefficients. We have a 2x and a 5x, so we do 175 divided by 7. That gives us 25, and that is our x value. X equals 25. Now you're going to try some. You're going to get 6 problems where you have to find the value of x on the given angles. You will be given the correct answers at the end. Ready? Go. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And number 6. Time's up. Let's check your answers to see how you did. Number 1, 5. Number 2, 10. Number 3, 10. Number 4, 9. Number 5, 4. And number 6, 17. How did you do? Once everyone in your group is finished, check to see who has the most correct. The person with the most correct may get a piece of candy from the bin. Hopefully you found this video helpful.